Hi, Julie. It's February 6th, 2014, and it's Julie's 9-month birthday. And she's having some puffs in the kitchen. Are those yummy? Yeah. Got some music on. You want to dance? Yeah. Yeah! Yay, dance! We're dancing! Yay! There's a couple puffs left. Underneath your hand. Yay! Ooh, you found another one. You are such a big girl. You're such a big girl.